Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to unbox my Boxycharm. I've been waiting on this for weeks now. I have not watched one unboxing because I don't want to know what's in here. I have unsealed it because it's a pain in the ass. So I get the glossy box, which I did the video on, and here are all the items in there for 21 bucks. Phenomenal. Someone asked me about the primer. It is Soft Focus Pore Perfect Matte Veil Figs and Rouge Primer. It retails for $35. So yeah, it's right here. It is the pink one. Phenomenal. I love that primer. I love it. And then if you want to know, I am testing out a couple of foundations. I'm wearing the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Blurring Skin, my god, Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen. SPF 25. It is water-based, and I am loving it. I don't see it like bunching up or coming off like around my nose or anything. I've been using this now for at least a week. I love it. It's great. You know, you just find a foundation you love or you just don't love, like the Marc Jacobs. So everybody's different. And then for my brows, I am wearing the Physicians Formula Brow Last. And I also use the Essence Brow after I do this. It kind of fills it in. I don't think I brought it out here. My lips, I am wearing the Kat Von D Studded Kiss, which is gorgeous. I will go over that in another video because I am filming not one, not two, but three videos. So we've got, today we have Boxycharm, and then I'm going to go over the 5 eyeshadow palette vote. I'm going to go over the other 3 palettes that were not really voted on as much. I have tested them and I want to give you my review. And then the update on the giveaway, I have already filmed. I put it up on Instagram. I will be putting it up on YouTube as well. I am babysitting my grandchildren. My time has been really tiny, limited, so my giveaway is going to be extended until the end of March. Box is full. Moving on to the second one. There will be 2 winners. 2 winners. And I'm not going to repeat this. Please, okay, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and please don't plead with me privately on any form, Instagram or YouTube, to privately give you the giveaway and make you the winner, because all is fair on my channel and I try to be as fair as possible, and I will not just privately give to somebody. We all have circumstances in our life. Trust me, if I sat here, I could be here day in and day out telling you my own circumstances as well as I stand here. I feel very sick and ill. And anyways, I'm not going to go there because life is life and I'm just pushing through it. I will be on here though with a an issue I mentioned that I've not forgotten. I just have not had time. But anyways, so I'm wearing my shirt. Shout out to myself because I am awesome. Love it. Okay. So enough craziness. Let's move into my Boxycharm, guys, because I have heard rumors that it is phenomenal. So we're going to open it. Dun, dun, dun. And then we have the card. Vacation. Oh yeah. And I love the foaming they put in there. And look at that. Ooh, I see a blush. And I know the brand. It is Pretty Vulgar. Ooh, that is beautiful. I know this brand. I have the eyeshadow, a couple of eyeshadow palettes, not all. This is Make Them Blush and is retailed for $26. And oh my gosh, it is so soft. Holy crap, that is gorgeous, you guys. I love Pretty Vulgar. I have the round ink pot for my eyeliner, which is phenomenal. And their blushes and eyeshadows are really, really good. I have not rebought from them. I don't care for their lipsticks, but they are, mind you, this box is only $21. That already paid for more than the box. So let's move on. We have South Main 3 Eye Gel Packs. Reduces puffiness, dark circles, and moisturizes the eye area. Hallelujah. Boy, do I need that. Shows you on the back how to use it. So I've never used just the eye. I've used plenty of, and they come in the little packs. You get 3. I have the lip ones. It's kind of weird, like putting on a lip gel or whatever. I use the overnight one, but I don't know. But I will try this under my eyes, because let me tell you, that is like one of my main focal points is under my eye. Okay. Can you guess what eyeshadow I tried today? You're gonna see in my next video. Okay, so we have the Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. Okay, I have seen this, you guys. I am not gonna lie, I'm not a big Butter London fan. I think the only thing I like from them is their round gel eyeshadow pots, which I have quite a few of. Excuse me, I'm sorry. My stomach is like, I don't know, it's a wreck. So, but I have seen this and I wanted to try it. In fact, it might be in the 21 Days of Beauty. Ooh, let me know if you want me to do a video on that. 21 Days of Beauty, the Ulta, starts Sunday. Ooh, I like the look. Very, very nice. Simple. Ooh, look at the brush. Okay, this might be really good. I'm definitely going to try that out. This might be really good. Okay, so that is a score. I'm telling you guys, if you don't already have Boxycharm, if you can get your hands on ordering it, so worth it. Okay, that retails for $20. Wow. Okay, now we got this Boxycharm Pure. Okay, I'm not a big Pure fan either. I'm just not gonna lie. Some of the things are great, some of them are not so good. Well, it's a matter of opinion. That's all. Here we go, Boxycharm Pure. Sticky things. I need to get an Ulta paper, with the 21 Days of Beauty. Ooh, look at this. We have eyeshadows. That is a really nice eyeshadow palette. I think this is the season of blues and greens. You guys, somebody coming to my door. Sorry. Didn't know I was filming. Okay, so I think this palette could be super good. Let me swatch a couple. Let's just see. Ooh, let's try the black right here. There are no names of color. Oh yeah, there are names. BFF, Mia, and Duet. Wow. They are like, oh my gosh, look at that pigmentation. Could be great. I will so use this palette. Colors are right up my alley. Awesome. So what does this say? The Pure eyeshadow palette retails for $36. So that is a great deal in the package. I mean, this box is already doubled paid for itself. And then we have, last but not least, I believe. Oh wow, look at this, super cute. Look at that. It's like a little vintage packaging. I've never seen this before. Oh, it says the Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Brush Set. Ooh, who does not love a new brush? Okay, let's see here. Let's open this up. Oh my gosh, you got 3 brushes in here. Wow. Okay, so they are numbered. Oh my gosh. The Vintage Cosmetic Company, step 1, step 2, okay. So they say step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, step 3, go girl go on the brushes. Oh my god, that is so cute. That is great. I love brushes. Okay, so that is the Vintage Cosmetic Company, and that retails for $23.15. So if you total the whole thing, 30, it's over 100 and probably about $15 on here for a $21 box. That is remarkable, you guys. Really, I love Boxycharm. It's all great value, great box. This is probably one of my #1 boxes ever, and I know I've said that before, but this is truly a phenomenal box. You can't go wrong. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like my channel, follow me on Instagram, Susan Young 1974, and I will see you again. Bye bye.